There's a quiet burden we all carry at times. It may not have a name, but you feel it. Like an invisible heaviness on your chest, a shadow behind your thoughts. Sometimes we just need space to pause, to realign, to let go. This is your time. Tonight, you'll walk a gentle path through your body's energy centers, your chakras, and allow each one to release, reset, and renew. Close your eyes. Take a breath. And begin the journey inward. You stand barefoot on soft soil. Beneath you, the root chakra glows red. The foundation of your being, your sense of safety and stability. You place your hand on your belly and breathe in slowly. As you exhale, let go of tension. Let go of the need to be in control. Imagine the earth holding you. No expectations, just a support. Every breath grounds you deeper. Every breath reminds you, you belong here. You are safe. Affirm quietly, I am rooted. I am supported. I am grounded in this moment. I am supported. I am grounded in this moment. Feel the heaviness leaving through your feet, melting into the earth. You are held, and it is safe to let go. Now the path curves toward a flowing river of warm orange light. You kneel beside it. This is your sacral chakra, the center of your emotions, creativity, and inner flow. You dip your hands into the water. It welcomes you without judgment. Let the water wash over you, washing away guilt, washing away past regrets, washing away shame that was never yours to carry. You are allowed to feel, to create, to enjoy. Say to yourself, I honor my emotions. I give myself permission to flow. My joy is sacred. I honor my emotions. I give myself permission to flow. My joy is sacred. Let the current move through your body, gently unlocking what's been stuck. You don't need to force anything. Just allow. The sun breaks through the trees, bathing you in gold. Your solar plexus chakra shines here. It's where your courage lives, where your power rises. You take a deep breath and feel the warmth of your own strength. It's been waiting for you. Here, you release the voice of doubt, the old stories that said you weren't enough. They're fading now. You straighten your spine. You feel your presence expand. Affirm, I trust myself. I take up space. My confidence is real and growing. I trust myself. I take up space. My confidence is real and growing. The more you accept your power, the less you need to prove it. You don't need to be perfect, just true. You arrive in a quiet forest where the air feels soft and light. Your chest begins to glow, green and gentle. This is your heart chakra, where love lives, where healing begins. You breathe into your heart and release the tightness around it. Maybe you've been hurt. Maybe you've held walls up for protection. But here, you begin to soften. You forgive, not to excuse, but to release. You forgive yourself for not knowing then what you know now. You forgive others, even silently, to free your own spirit. Affirm, I am open to love. I give and receive with ease. I am worthy of kindness. I am open to love. I give and receive with ease. I am worthy of kindness. Let warmth spread through your chest like a calm light opening a door. You are love, and love heals. The wind rises, cool and fresh. A soft blue energy gathers around your neck. This is your throat chakra, the home of your voice, your truth, your self-expression. You place a hand gently here, over your throat. Feel the vibration of your breath. Maybe you've silenced yourself before, felt misunderstood, or afraid to speak. But here your voice begins to rise, not with noise, but with calm confidence. Affirm, I speak my truth. I express myself with clarity. My voice matters. I speak my truth. I express myself with clarity. My voice matters. You don't need to shout. You only need to be honest. And your truth is enough. The sky deepens into indigo. You close your eyes, and the vision becomes clearer. This is your third eye chakra, the space of inner knowing, of calm insight. You let go of confusion. You release the pressure to have it all figured out. There is clarity in stillness. You place trust in your own wisdom, not what others told you to believe, but what your soul has always known. Affirm, I trust my inner voice. I see beyond illusion. My mind is clear. I trust my inner voice. I see beyond illusion. My mind is clear. Let this calm awareness settle behind your eyes, a quiet lighthouse within you. Finally, you stand beneath an endless sky. A soft violet-white light descends, touching the top of your head. This is your crown chakra, the space of deep peace and connection. You are no longer separate. You are part of something vast, loving, and wise. You surrender here, not in defeat, but in trust. Affirm, I am connected to all that is. I am peace. I am one with the light. I am connected to all that is. I am peace. I am one with the light. This is not an escape from life, but a deeper arrival into it. You've walked a gentle path, not to become something new, but to return to who you've always been. The negative energy that once felt stuck has shifted. It has moved. It has cleared. You've healed not by force, but by allowing. Remember this feeling. Return to it whenever you need. You are energy. You are light. You are free.